Hey, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. You want to check this house out. Come on.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to this adorable 3-bed, 2-bath located in Lynn Haven, Florida, just on the outskirts of Panama City. And it's wonderful. You're only 30 minutes to the sand, and this is a cute, adorable, updated 3-bed, 2-bath. Let's keep checking it out. Check out this adorable kitchen. It's got this peninsula here where you can put all these bar stools for extra seating. You've got a wonderful backsplash and updated appliances. It's perfect for a family or just a couple. This house is just right size. About 1,500 square feet, perfect for a whole family. You've got your dining room right here next to your kitchen, and you guys can just be together and enjoy family time. Welcome to the master. It's plenty expansive for a king bed with all your extra furniture. You've got these beautiful tray ceilings here, exactly what we want in our main bedroom as the adults, right? Let's go check out this ensuite. We've got a jetted tub, double sinks, and a separate water closet. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be sitting out there. So you've got that closed off, and his and hers closets. This is perfect. You've got a walk-in shower. There's plenty of space. So this cute 3-bed, 2-bath in Lynn Haven is perfect for a young family, a couple ready to get to start their family, or even some retirees. Lynn Haven's a beautiful place. You're close to Walmart, Publix. You're right down from the North Bay. You've got access to the sand. It's perfect. If you'd like more information, look in the description below. You can check out the actual listing link to get more details. And don't forget, subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Bye for now.